What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we're going to have the unboxing of the FenSens. Is it Sens? I think it's FenSens. I've been watching videos about this product on YouTube, and a lot of people say FenSens, but we'll go with FenSens. But this is the FenSens Smart Wireless Parking Sensor. Now this will be ideal if your car does not come with the rear park assist. Now, for those of you that may not know, I drive a 2017 Dodge Charger. It's an SXT. The SXT, of course, stands for Standard Extra Trim. But my car did not come with the rear parking assist. So this was given to me, and I'm very appreciative. I'm not going to shout him out or put him out on blast or anything, but he knows I'm very appreciative, and I thank you for this. But we're gonna unbox this bad boy and then install it. And I'm in Central Texas right now, so it's raining, and I decided, rain or shine, we're gonna get this installed. So let's go ahead and let's get into the packaging here. Should be kind of easy. It's just standard packaging. And with this unit, you will have to download an app. They have an app available for Android and iOS. And just looking at some of the, let me modify that light some. Just looking at the information right here, it's wireless. It has a 5-month battery life. This, I believe, takes AA batteries. Obviously, it'll be better for you to get the lithium-ion AA batteries as opposed to the standard alkaline batteries. With a screwdriver, you can install this in 5 minutes. Let's see what else. It has instant hands-free alerts, fast app auto launch, works in extreme weather conditions, which is good, and it has a 1-year warranty. So let's go ahead and slide this off. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Slide that off. Nice box here, easy open, and right off the top, there we go. It gives you this this card, and I'll try to adjust the lighting in post, but it has this card here where you can scan the QR code to download the app. Then it tells you just to mount this, and then once you have it mounted, you open the app. Now I will say, excuse me, with this device, once you create your account, this particular, or the unit, when you get it, or if you get it, the unit is tied to your account. So even if somebody takes this unit, it will not work for them, because the units obviously have some type of electronic serial number that you have to activate. Now, if you get this, and let's say, for instance, you get a new car, just contact FenSens, and they will help you move the unit over to your new car. And for those that had the same question that I have, you can have 2 units, so you can get a second unit, put it in the front, register it, and the app will recognize that second unit. So let's go ahead and put that to the side, and then reveal before the reveal. So right here, these are going to be the batteries. So they kept them in a nice packaging there. This is going to be your tap button. So when you're ready to use this, you just tap this button, and it will automatically open the app. Now, if you have, or if your phone is locked, I'm not sure if tapping the button will unlock the phone automatically for this app. Some videos, people say that it does. Some people say you have to unlock it. So that's something that you have to figure out with your phone. But you can just kind of mount this anywhere, pretty much. I wonder. Okay, no, that's in there. I was thinking maybe I can take this button out. Oh, actually, you can. Hold up. There. Oh, that's even better. So you can actually take the button out and get some double-sided 3M adhesive and then just put the button anywhere, which I think that's what I'm going to do, because I don't know if I want this ring thing to. I need 5 more or 4 more for the infinity ring. Okay, that was stupid. Anyway, yeah, there's the tap button. So here is a cell phone mount. Now I already have one on my car. I already have a mount, but they give you a mount, so that's real nice. Okay, now here's the screws that you'll need to put this in. Now these screws, let me open this up. Yeah, I don't know if you can really see that or not, but these are proprietary screws. So yeah, you can use normal screws, but the proprietary screws just add an extra level of security on the screw itself. There we go, on the screw, or not the screw, but the bracket itself. So we'll definitely be using those. And then here's the bracket itself. So you'll have 2 screw holes at the bottom, 2 screw holes at the top. These are the actual sensors right here. And if you look at these little small holes, not sure if you can see them, but there's small holes on either side of these. Those can be used to adjust the actual sensor. So if you need to point them down or tilt them up a little bit. But I believe with the way my car is, this should be a perfect fit here. And I think, sorry y'all, my desk is real small. Oh, here's something else in here. Oh yeah, here's the tools that you'll need to actually install these. So that's going to be pretty much it as far as the unboxing is concerned. Again, this is the unit right here. We'll just put that right there. So that's the unit. I'm going to now try to install this bad boy in this weather. It's just like a light mist, so we'll see what happens.
Dantanna got that heat, let's go.
All right, folks. So I got the piece, or I got the bracket mounted on. A couple of things. One, because I got this car used, so whoever got this car brand new, when they drilled the holes are a little bit off. So I'm gonna have to correct that at a later time. And two, that bracket covers the top and the bottom of the license plate. Now, for the bottom part of the license plate, I'm not too much worried about, but the top part, like, you can't even see the Texas, which I don't know the laws as far as if one or both, the top and the bottom of the license plate has to be covered. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and roll with it, but the moment, you know, the law is like, hey, you can't have that, then it's coming down. But at this point, I've already downloaded the app, so I'm going to go ahead and tap to open. And I have to register. So actually, let me go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll be right back. All right, now that I've done that part, you want to go ahead and allow for location services, and then you pick which one you have. I have the parking sensor. You don't have any sensors configured, please set up a sensor. So we're going to add a sensor. And then it says setup. and we're going to install it for the back of the vehicle. That gives you the option for the front. We've already done that. So you measured the space from your FenSens to the edge of your car in inches. So we'll say it's about 3. And then it's already detecting the one. Alright, sorry about that, y'all. The battery ran out on my camera here, but like I said, I have the bracket installed and I have the app installed, so we'll go here. The app is ready to go. I did test it, like it's actually working right now. There's nothing behind me, and this is why you see all these little marks here. Now, of course, when you're backing up, the bigger lines will go until it gets to that last line. Of course, if you don't ever see that last line, then chances are you've already hit it. Let me do that there so I can darken it some. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into settings, and we're going to go to manage devices, and from here we're going to set up the tap button. So you'll hit that plus button right there and go to setup, and right now it's looking for the tap button, which I decided to mount right there. So